Look at the calendar and it's the start of June. What does that mean? It's the end of May, and also it's the end of the result season in what comes as a relief to the research team out here. But Nigel, you know, June always reminded us of starting school. Q4, what is the report card saying? And most importantly, sell in May, go away. That hasn't held on.
Oh, that's not working at all, Mangalam. Buy in May and make hay. That's the new one. Buy in May and make hay. That's right, the new one. And just take a look at what we have done in the works at all. Big gains is what we've seen. Between 50 to around 300 points is what we have done just in the last few years in terms of May. But let's talk about the earnings report, Mangalam. More hits than misses, more number of companies from the Nifty pack that in fact came in line. Very few disappointments. Roughly around 7 companies have disappointed from the Nifty pack itself. So let's pull up the report card up for you on the screen. In terms of stocks, really, you know, that have done quite well in terms of in the last month itself. You have an ICICI Bank, in fact, that's up close to around 20%. Maruti is done well. Mahindra & Mahindra as well is in there with some gains. But Mangalam, talk about the report card. Everything wasn't great. You know, a couple of companies didn't come out with a very good set of numbers. Which were they?
They were the ones which have underperformed the markets for a long time now. It's the howler sets of numbers, and both of them down 12 and 9% respectively post the numbers. But real money made in the mid caps, a lot of those stocks really surprised positively from results. Jai Bharat Maruti, I remember you talking about that during the mid cap mania segment. Up 73% was the profit, and that stock up 32% since results that came by on April 19th. Then you have the likes of Shakti Pumps pumping it away. You know, the EBITDA was up 4 times, and that stock has gained 52% since results. Take a look at Avanti Feeds too. That stock is up 56% since results. Profit after tax at 80 crores, and this compares to just about 29 crores. And finally, we have Global Vectra Helicopter. Remember, Varinder covering it in the Pataka segment, and this helicopter has not stopped moving since then, up 26% since just May 24. So 6 days, 26%. But there's been some serious wealth destruction too in the mid caps.
That's right, Mangalam. And there are big gainers, there are obviously big losers. Videocon, you know, I've seen the stock being a big underperformer in the last few years. It delivered a net loss of more than 500 crores, and after that, the stock is down close to around 60%. So that wasn't a great set of numbers. Inox Wind. The numbers are disappointing, yes, but after that, the management is saying they're not seeing any new orders in the next 6 months. Why to buy the stock? The stock, in fact, is under pressure, is what we're seeing. D-Link as well, big run in the last couple of years. A lot of talk, this is happening, that is happening, not reflected in the numbers. They delivered a net loss as well. From the sugar space, Dalmia Bharat Sugar, in fact, those set of numbers as well looked quite disappointing, with the operational performance coming down by around 30%. And Mangalam, you know, Kitex Garments, I remember that stock running from around $100 all the way to around, 3, 4 times, 5 times after that. Those numbers look disappointing. The profit coming in down by close to around 40%. That stock was under pressure. And finally, TCPL Packaging as well. Those numbers, we had the net profit that was down close to around 40%. That stock as well under pressure. So that's the wind down. From the Nifty pack, we did have more number of hits than misses. That's the chart that we wanted it up for you on the screen. More number of stocks in line, and very few stocks that miss, maybe around 8 of them.